Welcome to TMB Designs. I am Trevina, your host of this fabulous lifestyle channel. It is full of inspiration, motivation, and creativity. My desire is to help you transform your space from house to home. Join the TMB family and subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up and share. Is there a space in your home that's in need of a wow factor? Well, this beautiful mirrored wall decor may be just the thing for you. Mirrored decor is all the trend right now and can be a bit pricey. But if you want to find out how to create this beautiful wall decor for $10 or less, then just keep watching. You're in for a treat. We're starting, you guys, with my mirrored square tiles. I have a 4-inch tile. You're going to need 2 of those for each piece. Then you'll need 2 of the 5-inch tiles. The next size down is the 8-inch tile, and then you will need 1 of the 12-inch tile. Along with that, you'll need your E6000 or any type of glass adhesive, glue gun, that's optional, but you want to make sure everything cures for 12 hours or 24 hours. Then you guys, I'm going to hang it with these amazing command strips. Absolutely perfect for wall decor, and you don't have to damage your wall while styling it. I'm going to use these rulers as support. All the mirrors, you guys, were picked up from Hobby Lobby at 50% off. First thing I'm going to do is play around with my design. I decided to go with the diamond shape. I just think it adds a layer of glam and elegance. You can do this in the square shape. Mirrors also come in an octagon shape or a round. The preference is up to you, but I just love the glam and elegance of this diamond pattern. Once you decide your pattern, go ahead and remove the felt bottoms from each of your mirrored tiles to ensure that your piece will hang smoothly on your wall. You guys, this can also double as a table runner. If you're an event planner, it will be gorgeous on a head table or a sweetheart table. The possibilities are endless. Again, just let your creativity run wild. Now that everything is laid out, I'm going to add my hot glue. And you guys, I will tell you, I started out with just the hot glue, but later on I went back and added the E6000 to give me that extra support. So I would suggest add your hot glue around the trims, but definitely put E6000 or some type of glass adhesive in the center to ensure a longer, sturdier hold. And here, you guys, you definitely want to make sure that each of your diamond points are perfectly aligned. Here you can see I'm having to readjust that. So make sure that they are all centered and that they are lined up perfectly. At this point, you can add a 3D effect by placing another smaller mirror tile on each section. It will be absolutely gorgeous, but I'm opting to keep it simple and elegant. Now that all of my pieces have been bonded down, we're going to flip it over and add the command strips. And the technique that I use, the over-under method, I use it for the purpose of being able to apply the command strips to 3 sections in this particular decor, because I wanted to have support and hold. Now you're going to apply these with the tab end facing downward so that you can remove it from your wall when you're ready to remove your decor. As you see here, I am just attaching the 2 Velcro ends together, removing the adhesive from one side and attaching it to my decor. The other side will go to your wall. So I'm going to add it to that flat end, and I'm going to add it to that flat section. So in total, this particular piece will receive 4 of the command strips. I want to show you guys just how easy it is to attach these. You line each piece up. You're going to match it together till you hear it click. Remove the adhesive backing and apply. Next thing to do, clean your mirror and style it to your desire. This glamorous decor is definitely going to be a conversation piece, especially when you tell them that you designed it for $10 or less. You guys, if you see what you like and you like what you see, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join our growing TMB family. I would love to have you. On this channel, you will find beautiful lifestyle content such as what you recently viewed. Interact with me on other social media sites, TMB Designs 2 on Facebook, TMB Designs 2 on Instagram. So until the next video, I want you all to have a blessed and most beautiful, beautiful day. Smooches.